Hey, quick question. Is your Discord server stuck connecting or randomly disconnecting? Yeah, that can be super annoying. In this guide, I'll walk you through simple fixes that usually solve Discord server connection issues fast so you can get back to smooth voice chat. All right, first things first, fully close Discord. I mean, completely. Exit it from the system tray, then restart your computer and your internet router. Yeah, temporary network glitches are actually one of the most common causes. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. If you're on Wi Fi, try moving closer to the router or even better, switch to a wired Ethernet connection. You know, Discord really prefers a steady connection. Now, if you're using a VPN or proxy, temporarily turn it off. So, VPN routing can sometimes trigger errors like no route or endless connecting inside Discord. After that, let's refresh your network cache. Open command prompt and type ipconfig/flush DNS, then press enter. Yeah, this clears outdated network records that may be causing conflicts. Still having issues? Try switching your DNS to Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS. This often improves routing and reduces server lag quite a bit. Next, open Discord settings, go to voice and video, and turn off enable quality of service high packet priority. Yeah. Sometimes this feature actually causes connection instability instead of helping. And finally, if nothing worked, allow Discord through Windows Firewall or perform a full network reset. One of these usually fixes stubborn connection problems, and that's pretty much it. Your Discord server connection should now be stable and smooth. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes coming your way. Hey, everyone.